Here I have the new iPhone 4S white, and I'm going to do an official unboxing. I got this yesterday in the mail. It still has the seal on it. As you can see, it says 4S on the side. This is the top. The box hasn't changed much at all since the regular 4 version. That's the side where it has a sticker with my phone number. I just blacked it out. Apple logo, the 4S on this side, and then on here it has actually a sticker for iCloud. And show you the bottom. As you can see there, it says 4S white, and it's the 16 gig version. So I'm going to go and open this up and then take a look inside. Okay, so I took off the plastic wrapping, and now you can see the box a little better. It looks very sleek. Okay, I'm going to set it down. Opening up the lid. And there's the phone itself. Okay. So here is the on and off button, the headphone jack, the volume buttons, the hold button right there, the charging port, or for the USB speakers. Here's the micro SIM slot on the side, and it's covered with this thin plastic all around. Probably going to have to charge it before I can use it. And then in here, we have this holder thingy. These are probably the instructions. And then in here we have the wall adapter, the USB cable, and the headphones. Pretty much what you'd see in the regular iPhone 4. My actual regular iPhone 4 is a black, so it's the first time I have a white. It's actually very nice. So I'm charging it now, and this is actually what it looks like when it's charging. They have a new charging screen here. And this is where you select your language to set it up. They assume English and Spanish are the most common, but you can choose more languages here. We'll choose English. I'm in the United States. And I'm going to enable location services. And that's actually my Wi-Fi. Okay, got connected to Wi-Fi. Going to click next. And I'm going to set it up as a new phone. And I'm not going to sign in with my Apple ID just yet. I'm going to skip that step. Agree to the terms and conditions. Agree. And I'm going to use SIRI, because that's the awesome new feature. Diagnostics. Don't send. I don't know if it'll slow down anything. And let's get started. So that's how it looks when you first set it up. There's a few icons that are different here and there. Of course, these are iOS 5 icons, so you will see them even if you install iOS 5 on your iPhone 4. Overall, seems like it's pretty smooth. I'm going to do some tests with this and my old iPhone 4 to try and compare the difference in terms of speed and that sort of thing. You can see that in my other video. I was trying to play around with Siri today, but it seems like all the people who are trying it out, it can't connect to the network. Let's check out the camera. That's also something that's been improved in this version of the 4S. Okay, it's all new settings and stuff like that. Okay, once you take a picture, apparently you should be able to edit it. You can edit the photo, you can crop it. You can change the orientation here. It's pretty smooth and fast. Okay, cancel.